Got Ainslie to talk gold. Had the best, one of the best trading records I've seen last year, trading gold, and Ainslie's still reasonably bullish on it, aren't we?
Slowly. I'm not. Look. Let's have a look at the gold chart and just leading on from where Ash has just presented me with a beautiful segue at the moment. As you can see, gold on my daily chart has been just trading sideways between two major levels of support and resistance since June. Okay, so it's a long time to be going sideways, especially at this time of the year. But we have, as you can see down on the 4-hourly chart, look at this. We've had a lower high. We've had another high, higher low, and a higher low. So we are sort of heading in the right direction until somebody speaks, like Fed Powell, or somebody releases some data. And at the moment, because gold is basically unloved, it's really feeling the fundamental and economic data announcements are really impacting how quickly the velocity of the move anyway. So you can see it just go bang, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. And just looking at it on a daily chart, it's hard going, let me tell you, because it's a lot of false starts happening here. At the moment, we're looking at seasonally, as Ash was just saying about the US dollar, it should look like it is due for a bit of a move up and before it comes off again in November, which is where I'm sort of sitting now. It's about 4 weeks out for me to start getting really excited. Expect a bit more chop. I think there's going to be a bit more of a grind higher, hence my very optimistic, that's where I think it's going to go. But I've got to wait, and I've got to wait for a clear break of this line of the 1833 level, because as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to get through before it came back down and then just retested these levels. It is getting a little bit boring. I couldn't disagree with, it's just, it is hard yards at the moment. But look, this is where we're looking at. We're starting to see a little bit more of a turn up on the daily, definitely a bit of a turn up on the weekly charts as well. And we can only, because we're just still sitting in the middle of this consolidation pack, all we can do is sit and wait until we have a really nice clear break. We can trade it up to here, but once we get to that 1830 level, unless we have a clear break, retest and a takeoff, at the moment we're just on the grind. And that may be having, if you want to trade gold, it may be that you have to look it down on the 4-hourly chart. Well, that's all I've got for the moment on my dear friend gold.
Cheers, Ainslie. Thank you very much for that. And look, one thing about gold, loves to do a bit of sideways stuff. When she comes out, she likes to come out pretty hard. So hopefully she'll give us some a nice finish off to the year ahead.